go to this website. You can toggle light and dark mode of the website. Metamask, a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. Now download the Chrome extension if you use Chrome browser. Make sure it's in the user download. If few user, it's a fake Metamask. Then click Add to Chrome. Click Add extension and wait to download and install. Now you have Metamask app in your browser. Welcome to Metamask, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. Click Get Started. Help us improve Metamask. Metamask would like to gather usage data to better understand how our users interact with the extension. This data will be used to continually improve the usability and user experience of our product and the Ethereum ecosystem. Metamask will always allow you to opt out via settings. Send anonymized click and page view events. Metamask will never collect keys, addresses, transactions, balances, hashes, or any personal information. Never collect your full IP address. Never sell data for profit. Ever. Click I agree. New to Metamask? If no, I already have a secret recovery phrase. Import your existing wallet using a secret recovery phrase. If yes, let's get set up. This will create a new wallet and secret recovery phrase. Click Create a Wallet. Create a password. Input minimum of 8 characters. Check the box that I have read and agree to the terms of use. Click Create. Secure your wallet. Before getting started, watch this short video to learn about your secret recovery phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. What is a secret recovery phrase? Your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. How do I save my secret recovery phrase? Save in a password manager. Store in a bank vault. Store in a safe deposit box. Write down and store in multiple secret places. Should I share my secret recovery phrase? Never, ever share your secret recovery phrase, not even with Metamask. If someone asks for your recovery phrase, they're likely trying to scam you and steal your wallet funds. You can watch the short video about secret recovery phrase. Click Next. Secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase make it easy to back up and restore your account. Warning, never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your Ether forever. Tips. Store this phrase in a password manager like 1Password. Write this phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. If you want even more security, write it down on multiple pieces of paper and store each in 2 to 3 different locations. Memorize this phrase. You can click download this secret recovery phrase and keep it stored safely on an external encrypted hard drive or storage medium. Click here to reveal secret words. There is 12 words you need to memorize. Click Next. Confirm your secret recovery phrase. Select each phrase in order to make sure it is correct. Click Confirm. Congratulations! You passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Tips on storing it safely. Save a backup in multiple places. Never share the phrase with anyone. Be careful of phishing. Metamask will never spontaneously ask for your secret recovery phrase. If you need to back up your secret recovery phrase again, you can find it in Settings, then Security. If you ever have questions or see something fishy, you contact their support by click here link. Metamask cannot recover your secret recovery phrase by clicking the Learn More. Click All Done. Now here your Metamask in Expand View version. There also small version. Just click beside the Chrome profile. There is icon of Metamask. Default network of Metamask is Ethereum mainnet. You can create another account here. In settings, lots of options you want to set there. In primary currency, set fiat for real conversion of your token. In experimental, you can set light and dark mode of your Metamask. In networks, you can manually input the network you want to add. To add new network, go to this. Search Polygon-matic. Also this website, they have light and dark mode. If you don't have Polygon network, just go to this website. Then scroll down. You can change the theme of the website. Toggle moon icon to light or dark mode. Click Add Polygon Network. It will pop up the info of the network of Polygon mainnet. Then click Approve, then switch network. Go to your Metamask, click Got It. For BSC or BNB Smart Chain, go to this website. Scroll down. You can change the theme of the website light to dark mode. Click Add BSC Network to your Metamask. It will pop up the info of the BSC mainnet. Click Approve. Then switch network. Go to your Metamask, click Got It. Now you have the three major networks usually they use.